ATM Tuition and TSS Boarding have partnered up to build a new program, to replace boarding prep time called the Boarding Transition Program. So basically, what we're trying to do, the ultimate purpose, is to renovate boarding prep with the boys and make it exciting, make it a bit better than just them sort of working independently. Put some tutors in there that can be role models and mentors, and create a bit more spark around their motivation levels and why they're doing the program. So what we've done is we have pretty much picked 5 tutors that come in, and these tutors work in groups of 8 with the boys on their homework and their prep time, and the boys earn points through their efficiency and teamwork and creativity and things like that.
It's come and ask me like a ton of questions, spelling, grammatical, errors and checks that they want help with, and I go around and make sure that they're on task, they're making sure they're getting the job done, they're understanding the content, and at the very end I see like so much improvement. I think they really get a lot out of this.
I'm noticing the difference in class because the kids are doing their work. So the boys are coming back in and saying, I got some help from the tutor last night, I had some problems with maths, I asked for some help and they showed me how to do it, which is great, as opposed to them just leaving it and not understanding the question.
What's your favourite part of the program?
Having extra support and being able to get help from others that know what they're doing.
How are you finding getting through your homework and everything this year?
It's a lot easier than a few other nights with tutors being able to help us, and I think the point system's putting a lot more effort onto our boys want to work a bit harder.
Pretty much everything to alleviate the stresses of boarding, when you don't have your parents on site at that age, and the stresses that come with transitioning from like a country school or an outside school into a faster paced school like TSS.